Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today we're talking about the KB5035849, which refuses to install for many users, but there's a workaround to get it on your computer. It's super simple. Basically, what you have to do is open up your default browser and access the link that I posted in the description below. This is the Microsoft Update Catalog, and this is the official page where you can get KB updates without having to update on your settings page. So in here, what you have to do is simply select the update that works with your system architecture, then click on the download button. Now once again, in the new window, click on the hyperlink that shows up in here and choose a location, preferably on your desktop, and then click on the save button. And that's pretty much it. Now you just have to wait until the download is finished, and then you can open up the executable and run the KB version right on your PC. Then you'll restart your computer and you'll be able to run the latest update. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.